How to contact Avant.com customer support. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Avant website. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will find the Contact Us and Frequently Asked Question link under the Support section. Inside the Frequently Asked Question, you will see several categories and commonly asked questions. If your issue is listed, you can read through the solution right away. But if you still need help, click on Contact Us option. Avant's customer support phone number is usually listed here along with available hours. Be sure to contact them during business hours for the fastest response. Now you know how to contact Avant.com customer support quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.